Hello, my name is Maddie Moo, and I would be so grateful if you could support me and my channel by subscribing. Here are 15 quick, quirky, fun facts about animals and nature, in conjunction with my book. Okay, let's dive straight in. Number 1, the axolotl, the smiling regenerator. Axolotls can regrow entire limbs, parts of their hearts, and even parts of their brains without scarring. Unlike most amphibians, they remain in their juvenile water-dwelling form for life, a condition called neoteny. Their perpetual smile and frilly gills make them look like adorable underwater Pokemon. Number 2, sloths, the slowest daredevils. Sloths are so slow that algae grow on their fur, giving them a greenish tint that helps with camouflage. But when they do move fast, it's usually for an unexpected reason, mating or fighting. And despite their sluggish nature, they are surprisingly good swimmers, using a slow-motion doggy paddle. Number 3, the platypus, the venomous egg layer. The platypus is a mashup of weirdness. It lays eggs, has a beaver-like tail, and uses electrolocation like a shark. The males have venomous spurs on their hind legs, which can cause excruciating pain. Also, they don't have stomachs. Food goes straight from their esophagus to their intestines. Number 4, wombats, the cube poop champions. Wombats are the only animals that poop cube-shaped turds, which helps keep them from rolling away on sloped terrain. Their digestive process takes about 2 weeks, squeezing water out to create their unique shaped waste. Scientists still aren't entirely sure how their intestines manage this bizarre feat. Number 5, narwhals, the unicorns of the sea. A narwhal's horn is actually a giant tooth that spirals out of its upper jaw, growing up to 10 feet long. Some scientists believe they use it to sense changes in the water, while others think it's for attracting mates. Unlike their mythical unicorn cousins, narwhals exist, but only in Arctic waters. Number 6, dragonflies, aerial assassins. Dragonflies are some of the most efficient hunters in the animal kingdom, with a success rate of over 90%. Their forewings move independently, allowing them to hover, glide, and even fly backwards. If you're an insect in their sights, there's almost no chance of escape. Number 7, giant Weta, the living tank. The giant Weta, found in New Zealand, can weigh more than a sparrow and is one of the heaviest insects on Earth. These prehistoric-looking bugs can survive freezing temperatures by temporarily stopping their heart. Despite their fearsome appearance, they're harmless and mostly munch on plants. Number 8, horseshoe crab, the blue-blooded time traveler. Horseshoe crabs have been around for over 400 million years, making them older than dinosaurs. Their blue blood contains a special compound that helps detect bacterial toxins, making it vital for medical testing. Every vaccine and injectable medicine you've ever had was likely tested using horseshoe crab blood. Number 9, monarch butterflies, the marathon migrators. Monarch butterflies travel up to 3,000 miles during their migration, spanning multiple generations. The ones born at the end of summer enter a special phase called diapause, allowing them to live up to 8 months instead of just a few weeks. They instinctively navigate to the same overwintering sites, even though they've never been there before. Number 10, Baobab Tree, the upside down. Baobab trees look like they've been planted upside down, with thick trunks and spindly branches that resemble roots. These tree tanks can store thousands of gallons of water, allowing them to survive in harsh African and Australian climates. Some baobabs are over 2,000 years old and have been used as homes, bars, and even prisons. Number 11, the Venus Flytrap, the snap trap. The Venus Flytrap's leaves snap shut in just 1/10 of a second when it senses prey. But it won't close unless something touches 2 different hairs within 20 seconds, helping it avoid wasting energy on false alarms. Even though it eats bugs, the flytrap still relies on sunlight for energy. Think of it as a plant with a protein snack habit. Number 12, the Mimosa Plant, the touch-me-not shrub. The mimosa plant folds its leaves inward when touched, a defense mechanism that confuses herbivores. Within minutes, the leaves open again as if nothing happened. Scientists still aren't entirely sure how it remembers when to fold and unfold. Number 13, the anglerfish, the deep-sea nightmare. Female anglerfish use a glowing lure on their heads to attract prey in the pitch-black depths of the ocean. The tiny males bite onto females and fuse into their bodies, losing their eyes and organs until they're just sperm-producing blobs. It's the creepiest case of love at first bite. Number 14, the glass squid, the see-through cephalopod. The glass squid are nearly transparent, making them nearly invisible to predators in the deep sea. Some species have bioluminescent eyes that mimic the shimmer of sunlight filtering through water, helping them avoid detection. Others inflate themselves like balloons when threatened, turning from ghostly to goofy instantly. Number 15. Bioluminescent creatures, the glow squad. From fireflies to deep-sea fish, bioluminescent creatures produce their own light using chemical reactions. Some use their glow to attract mates, others to scare predators, and others to communicate in the dark. The ocean has the most glowing life forms, proving that sometimes nature knows how to put on a light show.